Hey guys, today I have with me the LG 22MP68VQ, which is a best monitor under 10,000. It has 22 inches and have IPS LED panels. Its aspect ratio is 16:9 and has 9020x1080 resolution. Okay, first let me say bye bye to my old monitor. Today we have a big package to unbox. I have ordered it from Amazon. You can also order from Flipkart or other stores. Okay, let me unbox it. In the front we can see the LG logo and the model name. Okay, let me unbox that also. They have provided two images on the box on how to install the parts. You will get a power cord, stand body, cable holder, stand base, CD, HDMI cable and a manual inside the box. And here we have the monitor. Before installing the monitor, carefully read the manual. On the back of the monitor, you can see 5 ports, which are DC in, D-sub in, headphone out, DVD in and HDMI in. Above that you can see the LG logo and around it you can see the wall mount options. Okay, let me quickly install the parts. Now I am connecting it to the PC. This is how you can place the cable holder. There is a joystick type key on the bottom of the monitor. It has white LED light and in white color. When you press it, you can see 5 options, which are exit, picture mode, input, monitor off and menu. When you tap on menu, you can adjust the color, brightness, contrast and other options of the monitor. You can't increase or decrease the height of the monitor, but you can tilt it. It has an arc-line stand and I like that curved design. You can see the Energy Star logo in the stand. Here we can see another LG logo. In the left bottom side we can see the IPS and LED logos. Did I mention it has crazy thin bezels? Well, it does. You can enjoy smoother gameplay. MB68 especially adapted to AMD freezing technology, which eliminates tearing from the low frame rate and also screen shuttering as connecting HDMI port. All of these bring that you can enjoy and immerse in gameplay. It also has black stabilizer. The black stabilizer allows you to have better visibility, even in dark scenes. It is flicker safe, and reader mode helps maximize visual comfort by protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the flicker level to almost zero. Let me show you its general specifications. Its screen size is 55.88 cm, that is 22 inches. It has IPS panel. It has 16.7 million colors. It is in 16:9 aspect ratio. It has resolution of 9020x1080. You can also customize your workspace for multitasking. Screen split divide the display for different tasks by resizing the windows on the screen. These are the things I like about this monitor. And the things I don't like about this monitor are the monitor control button at the bottom is not in good quality. This could have been better designed. And it has glossy plastic back and stand. If we look closer, we can see the fingerprints and scratches. I think it is the best monitor under 10,000. If you are planning to buy this monitor, go for it. Hope these informations would be helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and also enable the bell icon.